Blues musician Henry Roeland Byrd, known as Professor Longhair, was a fixture at the New Orleans JazzFest in the 1970s. Albert Grossman, a well-known manager and music producer, ended up with a set of master recordings Byrd made. After both men died, their successors battled over ownership of these recordings in Songbyrd versus Estate of Grossman. Songbyrd was the successor in interest to Byrd's intellectual property rights. Grossman's estate did business as Bearsville Records Incorporated in Woodstock, New York. In the early 1970s, Byrd made several master recordings on 8-track tapes that could be used to produce record albums. Grossman came into possession of the tapes, which then passed to Bearsville. Over time, Byrd's representatives asked Bearsville to return the tapes, but apparently never received a response. In 1986, Bearsville licensed some of the master recordings to Rounder Records. In 1987, Rounder released an album produced from those tapes. In 1991, Bearsville licensed the recordings to Rhino Records, which also released an album made from the tapes. In 1995, Songbyrd sued Bearsville in Louisiana State Court, seeking damages and a declaration of its rights in Byrd's master recordings. Bearsville removed the case to federal district court in Louisiana and then filed a motion to dismiss. Bearsville argued that the court lacked personal jurisdiction over it, and that Songbyrd's claim was time-barred under Louisiana law. The district court agreed that the claim was untimely and dismissed the case, but didn't rule on the personal jurisdiction question. Songbyrd appealed to the Fifth Circuit, which reversed. After the Fifth Circuit remanded the case, the Louisiana District Court ruled that it lacked personal jurisdiction and transferred the case to a New York federal district court. In that court, Bearsville filed a motion for summary judgment, arguing that Songbyrd's claim was barred by New York's statute of limitations. The district court ruled on Bearsville's motion.